first you draw a big straight line and then make it a box. Give it just a rectangle shape. Okay friends, let's draw with me. Hey friends, as you can see, I draw a rectangular shape box. It is the easiest way to draw. Then I draw a chocolate wave, just up and down, up and down, then up, then down, then up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. Give it a curve and then draw a long straight line. Oh my god, this looks so cute. Then I draw a cake. This looks yummy. And then I draw a candle, a two straight line, and then one small line. Okay kids, so I have done my drawing. Let's pour the cake. I speed up my drawing. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. May you have many more. May you have many more. Wow, it's a magic. Okay kids, let's start coloring. First I color in the chocolate. So this is the orange color. Orange is also a fruit name and orange is also a color name. Okay kids, I almost done my coloring in cake.
And now I use purple color for the base of the cake. Purple color is my favorite color. I love the combo of orange and purple.
Okay, so I have turned my coloring. So I use the yellow color in the plate of the cake. I use red color in the heart in the right. First I draw in the right heart. And I use red color, and in the left side I also use the red. Okay kids, I have done my drawing in the heart. Now I coloring in candle. First I take the brown color. I make this candle multi. So after brown color I use the pink color, and then after pink color I use the blue color. Blue color is my favorite color at all. If you like my drawing, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.